Hello and welcome to Friendly Couch Business English Podcast and Proofread Podcast for VIP Medicine Business Owners. Thanks for joining us and thanks for listening to us. We will always love to give you the best. And thank you once again for joining us and let's start this first episode. Hello everybody and welcome to Proofread Business English Podcast. Today we will discuss how you can write better in English as a Middle business owner. You know your business inside out, but writing in English make your heart race. You sit there, answer the keyboard, and second guess every sentence. The truth is that you're not afraid of your business. No, you're afraid of being misunderstood. You want to write with confidence in English, but it is hard as you can always see your mistakes. And you don't want those badly written emails and documents in English to change how your international partners, clients, and investors see you. You invest too much by wanting your English documents and emails to carry your confidence, your vision, or your territory as a business owner. Write better in English, and the first thing clear is this: don't try to impress anyone with big English words. Use simple English words that your clients, partners, and investors can understand when you write emails or documents. Because no one will complain that your English emails and documents are too easy to understand. And number two, start with the reason you send an email or document. Read out loud your email and documents in English. Make sure your words sound right and flow well to you before you hit send. Improve your English for international business with engagement. Because you're a Middle business owner with 50 plus employees leading an international business. But your weak English is not helping your international deals. You can improve how you read, speak, write, and lead in English with engagement. Amount $6,200 per month to $18,600 per month based on Amazon support you would. All you need to do is to contact Friendly Coach on WhatsApp at +2348171356051. Contact Friendly Coach on WhatsApp at +2348171356051. Or you can get to www.friendlycoach.com. www.friendlycoach.com. Your company is growing fast internationally. No more hiding behind sorry, my English is not good. Everybody speak alright helps in either building trust or breaking it. Your theme is big, your vision is bigger, your English match both as a business owner. At an international level, English isn't a skill, it's a tool you need to use well. You are leading people, getting more international clients, and acquiring more companies. And your English either choose your part to help your business or choose a weakness that's holding your business back. You deserve English that works as hard as you do, simple, strong, and international. No more hiding behind, sorry, my English is not good. It's time to move away from that. What we can do for you as a medicine business owner, and the first one is to one-on-one VIP business English coaching. We help you speak, listen, read, and understand English clearly in meetings. We help you write powerful English. You will get faster up every day with real results. Amount $6,200 per month to $18,600 per month, depending on how much help you want. And the second one is through premium English professional and dating. The fix your contrast poses on English and English. You get preferred, detailed, reviewed, and rewritten English documents fast. Delivered in 12 to 24 hours, starts from $3,500 per month to $11,000 a month, based on how much help you also need. All you need to do is for you to contact from the code on WhatsApp at +2348171356051. We will love you and leave you. See you next week. Bye. Thanks for listening to us and thanks for listening up to this part. In case you are a medicine business owner and you want to improve your English for your international business within 8 to 12 months, or you want to proofread and edit your important documents for big international deals within 12 to 24 hours, all you need to do is for you to reach us directly on WhatsApp at +2348171356051, or you can go to www.vendilicoach.com/link, www.friendlycoach.com/link. We will love you and leave you. See you next week. Bye.